Welcome to MindClick's YouTube channel.
Option A. Bengal. The Bengal is a strikingly beautiful, energetic cat breed known for its wild, leopard-like coat patterns and playful, affectionate nature. Option B. Abyssinian. The Abyssinian is a sleek, energetic cat breed known for its short, ticked coat, playful demeanor, high intelligence, and affectionate nature. Option A. Sphinx. The Sphinx cat is a unique, hairless breed known for its wrinkled skin, warm personality, playful nature, and social, affectionate demeanor. Option B. Turkish Angora. The Turkish Angora is an elegant, silky-furred cat breed known for its intelligence, playful nature, graceful movements, and strong bond with humans. Option B. Savannah. The Savannah cat is a striking hybrid breed known for its tall, slender build, wild spotted coat, high energy, and adventurous personality. Option C. Oriental Shorthair. The Oriental Shorthair is a sleek, elegant cat breed known for its large ears, expressive eyes, affectionate nature, and playful, curious personality. Option A. Siberian. The Siberian cat is a strong, fluffy breed known for its thick coat, friendly temperament, intelligence, and playful, yet calm nature. Option A. Ocicat. The Ocicat is a domestic cat breed with a wild appearance, featuring spotted or marbled coats, a playful personality, and affectionate nature. Option A. Turkish Van. The Turkish Van is a robust, semi-long-haired breed known for its love of water, distinctive white coat with colored markings, and playful personality. Option B. Tonkinese. The Tonkinese cat is a friendly, affectionate breed with a sleek coat and vibrant color points. Known for its playful, social nature and intelligence. Option B. Toiger. The Toiger is a domestic cat breed with a distinctive tiger-like appearance, featuring a striped coat, muscular build, and playful, affectionate personality. Option A. Chantilly Tiffany. The Chantilly Tiffany is a long-haired cat breed known for its silky, brownish-gold coat, expressive eyes, gentle temperament, and affectionate nature. Option A. Ragamuffin. The Ragamuffin is a large, friendly cat breed known for its soft, plush coat, round face, and affectionate, calm, and playful personality. Option B. Serengeti. The Serengeti cat is a sleek, spotted breed resembling a wild serval, known for its playful, active nature, intelligence, and social temperament. Option B. Exotic Shorthair. The exotic Shorthair is a gentle, affectionate breed with a round face, large eyes, and a plush, short coat. Known for its calm, playful personality. Option A. Berman. Option A, the Burman is a striking, long-haired cat breed with a silky coat, blue eyes, and distinct color points. Known for its affectionate, gentle nature and playful temperament. Option C, Egyptian Mau. The Egyptian Mau is a medium-sized cat breed known for its spotted coat, striking green eyes, and graceful, energetic nature. It's highly intelligent and affectionate. Option B, Snowshoe. The snowshoe is a playful, friendly cat breed with a white shoe marking on each paw, a short coat, and striking blue eyes. Known for its affectionate and curious personality. Option B, Chow Meine. The Chow Meine is a rare, white cat breed known for its striking golden or blue eyes, sleek coat, and friendly, affectionate nature. Option C, Havana Brown. The Havana Brown is a medium-sized cat breed with a sleek, chocolate-colored coat, green eyes, and a playful, affectionate personality. Known for its social and curious nature. Option A, Likoi. The Likoi is a unique cat breed known for its werewolf appearance, with a patchy coat and striking eyes. It has a playful, friendly, and curious nature. Option A, Somali. The Somali is an active and agile cat breed with a sleek, ticked coat and bright eyes. Known for its playful, social, and curious personality. Option B, Oriental Longhair. The Oriental Longhair is a graceful, elegant cat breed with a silky, flowing coat and almond-shaped eyes. Known for its affectionate, playful, and intelligent nature. Option C, Chartreux. The Chartreux is a French cat breed with a muscular build, dense blue-gray coat, and striking copper or gold eyes. Known for being calm, affectionate, and intelligent. Option A, Chelsea. The Chelsea is a wild hybrid cat with a sleek coat, large ears, and an active, curious, and playful personality. Option A, Minskin. The Minskin is a rare and affectionate cat breed with short legs, a soft coat, and a playful, people-oriented personality. Option A, Ojos Azules. The Ojos Azules is a rare cat breed known for its striking blue eyes, soft coat, and friendly, affectionate nature. Option A, Caracal. The Caracal is a wild cat known for its distinctive tufted ears, sleek coat, and agile hunting skills, often called the desert lynx. Option A, Cheeto. The Cheeto is a rare domestic cat breed, blending Bengal and Osicat traits, known for its wild appearance, intelligence, and playful personality. Option A, Snow Bengal. The Snow Bengal is a stunning variation of the Bengal cat, prized for its creamy, spotted coat, blue eyes, and playful temperament. Option A, California Spangled. The California Spangled is a rare and elegant cat breed, known for its leopard-like spots, athletic build, and affectionate personality. Option A. Marguerite. The Marguerite is a rare and graceful cat breed, celebrated for its striking appearance, gentle temperament, and affectionate, playful nature. Option A. Safari. The Safari is an exotic hybrid cat breed known for its wild appearance, spotted coat, and active, adventurous, yet affectionate demeanor. Option C. Nebelung. The Nebelung is a rare cat breed with a long, silky coat, striking green eyes, and a gentle, affectionate personality. Option B. Thai. The Thai cat is a sleek, medium-sized breed known for its almond-shaped blue eyes, short coat, and playful, affectionate nature. Option B. Minuet. The Minuet cat, also known as the Napoleon, is a compact, muscular breed with a sweet, playful temperament and distinctive short legs. Option A. Brazilian Shorthair. The Brazilian Shorthair is a lively, affectionate breed known for its short, dense coat and playful, friendly nature. It is adaptable and social. Option A. Arabian Mau. The Arabian Mau is a medium-sized, short-haired breed known for its independent yet affectionate nature. It has a sleek coat, bright eyes, and is highly adaptable to various environments. Option A. Karelian Bobtail. The Karelian Bobtail is a unique, short-tailed cat breed known for its playful, affectionate nature and strong hunting instincts. Option A. Dwelf. The Dwelf is a rare, hairless cat breed with short legs, a playful personality, and a distinctive, elf-like appearance. Option A. American Ringtail. The American Ringtail is a unique cat breed with a distinctive curled tail, playful nature, and affectionate personality, making it a charming companion. Option A. Bambino. The Bambino is a small, hairless cat breed with a playful and affectionate nature, known for its distinctive short legs and big ears. Option A. Bengal. The Bengal is a striking cat breed with a wild appearance, characterized by its leopard-like spots and energetic, playful nature. Option A. Napoleon. The Napoleon is a small, compact breed known for its unique appearance, with a round face and short legs, making it resemble a dwarf cat. Option A. Desert Lynx. The Desert Lynx is a wild-looking breed with a muscular build, large ears, and a tufted tail, resembling a bobcat. Option A. Ojos Azules. The Ojos Azules is a rare cat breed known for its striking blue eyes, soft coat, and friendly, affectionate nature. Option A. Nebelung. The Nebelung is a rare cat breed with a long, silky coat, green eyes, and a gentle, calm personality, often affectionate. Option B. Marguerite. The Marguerite is a rare wild cat, also known as the sand cat, adapted to desert life with small size and sandy coat. Option A. Cheeto. The Cheeto is a hybrid cat breed, combining Bengal and Osicat traits, known for its spotted coat, athleticism, and friendly temperament. Option B. Sokoke. The Sokoke is a rare cat breed from Kenya, admired for its unique marbled coat, energetic nature, and strong bond with humans. Option A. Highland Lynx. The Highland Lynx is a unique hybrid cat breed known for its curled ears, polydactyl paws, wild appearance, and affectionate personality,